about now? Yeah, all right, my name's David. Everybody say hi, David. Awesome. It's been great watching everybody compete. I love coming here to see Pacific Northwest. Give yourselves a huge round of applause for a great weekend. Now, I am of just the perfect age where I got to grow up playing video games. So I remember being really small and sitting in my family's living room and playing on the Atari 5200. And then, yeah, big round of applause for the Atari 5200. Good, right? Pitfall, it was awesome. My sister was unbeatable at Space Invaders, but then I got to see everything from then on. I got to see how graphics changed and things went from those little squares on the screen to looking so real now on my Xbox. And it's been so much fun to watch. You know, thinking back to Space Invaders, you'd shoot one of those little Space Invaders, and the Space Invader would die in a little like puff of pixels. And that's not very accurate, right? Those Space Invaders had to be loaded with hydrogen because that's the preferred fuel. So you know that when they were getting hit, they would explode in huge balls of fire, right? So I figured it'd be good to show a little bit more of what it's like in real life. Now, the Space Invaders were also 8 bits. They really looked more like that. That's the actual alien body right there. Those spaceships loaded with hydrogen. Hydrogen is so reactive, it's ready to blow at a moment's notice. So when those cannons from Earth were shooting back at them, they probably went off a little something like that. I could even feel the heat. And that's the moral of the story, is that virtual worlds are great, but sometimes seeing something for real and doing it for real is way better. And that's what FIRST is all about. You guys aren't just out there playing in virtual worlds. You're building those real robots. They're out here in the field competing, and it's so much fun to watch. So thank you all for all the work you did this season. Good luck to our finalist teams. See you again next year.